The American Revolution isn't just the story of a war. It's the story of world-changing ideas, courageous men and women, and above all, belief in the promise of freedom. Now, all these stories come together in one place that can go any place. The Virginia 250 Mobile Museum, bringing a more complete picture of the American Revolution to citizens everywhere. As we mark 250 years since the Declaration of Independence, come experience the true meaning of E Pluribus Unum, out of many, one. And join us as we work towards a more perfect union, together. Follow the Virginia 250 Mobile Museum at VA250.org.